Welcome back, guys. Today's short video is on the 1971 Deluxe we have in the workshop undergoing a full restoration. Enjoy. There we can see the wires pulled through for the headlights and the indicator wires pulled through. Got some really nice Hella replacements to go in there. The chrome's like amazing, really good quality. There we have the air box. All the flaps are powder coated ready. Just need to wax oil in there and then fit the grille with the deluxe trim. The customer has got some locks and handles on order. It's all on one key, and I'm going to replace the steering column and ignition and restore all that. The steering box is coming out. That's going to N2 Engineering to be refurbished. All the backlights there you see are all in working. I've just got to get the side covers back on and deluxe trim. There we can see the wires for the side markers. They'll be in the next order of shipment of parts. And there's the dash on. There's the dash that's resting in the hole. I just need to tidy up the wiring behind that. Here you can see we've replaced the rear, front to rear, all the hard lines. It's all nice and clipped in and grommeted through the chassis. The brake bias valve we restored and had it powder coated with new seals, etc. The gear shift rod has been removed and has new bushings. The loom is a brand new loom by Autosparks. That's all clipped in, nice and tidy. Just needs tidying up on the dash a bit and clipping in, and in the engine bay. And there's the hard lines down at the back.